roof is the first line of defense against the elements. Whether it's stormy rain, punishing winds, or the heat of summer, your roof helps protect your family and everything you cherish. So when it's time to install a new roof, you want to be confident in your investment. Owens Corning is the most trusted and recognized brand in roofing. For decades, we've been pioneering roofing technology, blending innovation and experience to create products that stand the test of time. The Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System is a carefully designed system of components that helps your roof seal, defend, and breathe. And with Duration Series shingles with SureNail Technology, the difference is easy to see. With the added performance from the SureNail strip, your roof should be as beautiful as it is strong. That's why we offer stunning selections of colors and styles, giving you the power to choose a roof that turns heads and elevates your home's curb appeal. Choosing the right contractor is critical. Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractors are experts you can trust, offering our most comprehensive warranty to ensure your roof performs for years to come.
Whether you've had damage from a storm or it's time to replace your aging roof, you want to be sure you pick the best products and the right contractor for the job. As an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor, we're part of an exclusive network that recognizes our commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and customer service. From start to finish, we pride ourselves in going above and beyond. No shortcuts, no guesswork, just roofing done right. Plus, with Owens Corning's industry-leading materials and warranties, you get protection that lasts. Because of our status, we can give you the best warranty Owens Corning has to offer, including coverage for workmanship, meaning you will have peace of mind knowing that your roof is backed up by the most trusted brand in roofing. Don't compromise on something as important as your roof. Hire MyPro Construction, a company leading the way in the roofing industry. Call us today.